Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about another kind of noun, abstract noun. In lecture 1, we had learned about proper noun and common noun. In lecture 2, we learned about collective noun. And now in this lecture, we will learn a little more about abstract noun. We will learn how to identify an abstract noun in a sentence and the various ways abstract nouns are created. Now, what is an abstract noun? An abstract noun is a noun that refers to an emotion, a feeling, a quality, or an idea. An abstract noun does not refer to a physical object. An abstract noun is something that you cannot see, hear, touch, smell, or taste. So remember, children, an abstract noun is a feeling or an emotion, a quality, or an idea. It comes from within. It is not any physical or any material object that has a definite shape, a color. No, it's a feeling or an emotion that comes from within you. That is an abstract noun. And that is why it cannot be heard. It does not have any sound. It cannot be seen. It cannot be touched. It cannot be smelled. It can only be felt from within. That is an abstract noun. It is related to emotions. For example, pride, excitement, childhood, leadership. These are few examples of abstract noun. Now, there are many ways abstract nouns are created. They are created from either nouns, they are created from verbs, they are created from adjectives. So what happens is you add a suffix. That means you add few alphabets at the end of the word and create a new word. That becomes an abstract noun. In some cases, you remove some alphabets and add a few alphabets again, and that is how an abstract noun is created. So it's very important for you to understand how they are created so that if you are given a word, you can easily create an abstract noun from that word. Now, let's go over each one of them. Now, creation of abstract noun from adjectives. We all know that adjectives are describing words. They tell you something more about a noun. So, how do we create an abstract noun from adjectives? Let's see. Happy. If I say Tom is a happy boy, so happy is an adjective. But when I change happy to happiness, it is a feeling, it is an emotion, a feel-good feeling from within. When you get something wonderful, somebody, your grandparents visit you unexpectedly, or you do something wonderfully well, you help somebody. So you get a very nice feeling from inside. This feeling is happiness. It is abstract noun. Sad. Again, Reena is a sad girl. You're talking about Reena, so it's an adjective. But when we change it to sadness, the emotion or the feeling of not feeling good or feeling bad, that is sadness. So I felt immense sadness at the death of my pet dog. So the emotion and the feeling that you felt, that was sadness. And this sadness is an abstract noun. Kind, kindness. Kind is an adjective, but the feeling and emotion associated with giving, sharing, that is kindness. That is the abstract noun. Angry. Again, angry is an adjective, but when I change it to anger, somebody does something wrong to you, somebody hits you, somebody scolds you, somebody shouts at you, and the emotions and feelings that you feel from inside, you feel bad, you want to shout at that person, you want to hit that person, or you want to do something not good. The feelings and the emotions that are going on inside you, that is anger, and that is an abstract noun. Again, brave is an adjective, bravery is an abstract noun. The feeling of facing something without feeling scared, that feeling, that emotion is bravery. Our soldiers always fight with bravery. They always have this emotion and feeling inside them. They're not scared of the enemies. That is bravery. So bravery is the abstract noun. Beautiful, beauty. Beautiful is the adjective, but beauty is the abstract noun. It is again an emotion, a feeling that comes from within. Long, length. Length is the abstract noun. High, height. Height is the abstract noun. Honest, honesty. Honesty is a quality. The quality of doing something right. The quality of doing something which is correct. That quality, that feeling, that is honesty. That is an abstract noun. But honest is an adjective. Wise, wisdom. Again, wisdom is a quality of knowing what is the right answer, or knowing what is correct, what is right, knowing many things. That is wisdom. So wisdom is the abstract noun, but wise is an adjective. Wide, width. Width is the abstract noun. Able, ability. Ability is the abstract noun. So remember children, these have been created from adjectives. You can see they have changed in different ways, but you must know how they have been created and what is the source word. Now, there are some abstract nouns which are created from verbs. Verbs are nothing else but action words. So we can change some alphabets, add some alphabets, and the word that we get is an abstract noun. Act, action is an abstract noun. Appear, appearance is the abstract noun. Laugh, laughter, laughter, the feeling, the emotion of feeling good, of laughing, of sharing happiness, all the feeling and emotion that you get, that is laughter. Laughter is the abstract noun. Speak, speech. Speech is the abstract noun. Permit, permission. Permission is the abstract noun. Think, thought. Think is the verb, thought is the abstract noun. Believe, belief. Believe is a verb, belief is an abstract noun. Die, death. Death is the abstract noun. Grow, growth. Growth is the abstract noun. Please, pleasure. Pleasure is the abstract noun. Refuse, refusal. Refusal is the abstract noun. Lose, loss. Loss is the abstract noun. So remember children, action, appearance, laughter, speech, permission, thought, belief, death, growth, pleasure, refusal, loss. These are the abstract nouns which have been created from the verbs that are written next to them. So you must know these abstract nouns, how they were created and what is the source word. Now, coming to the next. There are some abstract nouns which are created from nouns. Child is a noun, we know. Childhood is the feeling and the emotion associated with being a child. So childhood is an abstract noun. Same, friend. Friend is a noun. But the feeling and the emotion or the bonding that you have with your friend or two friends have, that feeling, emotion is friendship. Friendship is the abstract noun. Leader is a noun. Leadership is the abstract noun. Neighbor is a noun. Neighborhood is the abstract noun. Scholar is a noun and scholarship is the abstract noun. So again, remember children, we have added few words and this has created abstract nouns from nouns. Okay, now recap 3. Now this is your third exercise in nouns. You have done recap 1 from the first lecture. You have done recap 2 from the second lecture. And this is recap 3. So what you will do is on a new page, you will write the date. You will write the heading recap 3. You will write identification abstract noun. Now there are 5 sentences given below. So what you will do is you will underline the abstract noun in these sentences. So you can just write the abstract nouns in your notebook. You need not copy the entire sentence. You can just write the abstract nouns from each sentence. So let's go over each one of them. The soldiers were awarded for their bravery. So the feeling and the emotions that the soldiers felt when they're fighting when they're not feeling scared and they're fighting, that is bravery. So bravery is the abstract noun. Childhood is the best time of our life. Again, childhood are the feelings and the emotions associated with being a child. So childhood is the abstract noun. Laughter is the best medicine. Laughter is the abstract noun. Birbal was known for his wisdom. We all know Birbal was a minister in Akbar's court. He was known for his wisdom. So wisdom is a quality he had, or the quality of knowing what is right, knowing many things. It comes from within. It's related to feelings and emotions. So it is not any concrete object. So wisdom is an abstract noun. I felt immense happiness. Immense means lot of. Happiness on seeing my grandparents at my house. So happiness is the abstract noun. The feeling and the emotion that you felt when you saw your grandparents, the feel-good feeling that you got from inside, that is happiness. So remember children, abstract nouns are not concrete or material objects. They can only be felt from inside, from within you. They are feelings, they are emotions. That's what abstract nouns are. And they are created from verbs, nouns and adjectives, and you've seen a few examples. So I suggest you go through that list and learn how the various abstract nouns have been created. Now after you've done recap 3, you can cross-check your answers and see if these are the words that you have got. So you will know if you have understood how to identify abstract nouns. Now, there is one sentence given here which has all the 4 kinds of nouns. Let's see if it's clear to you. The team was filled with excitement as they boarded the train to Mumbai. So, team, remember from your collective noun lesson, team is for players. Lot of players together is team. So, team is a collective noun. Excitement, it's a feeling, it's an emotion. So excitement is an abstract noun. It is not a concrete or a physical object. As they boarded the train, train is a common and a generic name for all trains, not anything specific. So train is a common noun. Mumbai is the name of one city, specific city we are talking about. So Mumbai is a proper noun. I hope you have understood nouns and all the 4 kinds of nouns are clear to you. Okay, thank you.